Hello students, today I am going to explain you exercise 2.3 question number 2 from 10th standard NCERT textbook. So it goes as check whether the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by first polynomial. So let us see first example. The example is t square minus 3 and one more polynomial is 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. So check whether the first polynomial is factor of second polynomial by dividing second. You have to divide second polynomial by first polynomial. So you can see here if they are not mentioned which polynomial should be divided with which, then you can see here its degree is greater than this polynomial. So this will be your dividend and this will be your divisor. So let us start. 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12. This you have to divide with t square minus 3. So how will understand whether this is factor of this? Suppose this polynomial is factor of this polynomial, then you will get remainder as 0. If it is not factor of this polynomial, then you will not get remainder as 0. Let us start dividing. I'll write quotient here. You can write upside. So as in first question I explain you how to divide the polynomials. So in similar way you have to divide. You have to eliminate this first term 2t raised to 4 using this. So here you can see, here we have t raised to 2, here we need t raised to 4. You have to multiply this, that multiple you have to write here. We need t square. Again we have here 2 which is multiplied here. So to get that you have to multiply this t square by 2. And for to get t raised to 4, you are multiplying with t raised to 2. So 2 into this quotient is 1. So 2 into 2 is 2. T square into t square will be t raised to 4. So again this you have to multiply with the second term also. How many terms here? There are terms. All those terms you have to multiply with this quotient. So next we are multiply with this minus 3. Minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 t square. So here we have power t square. So that you can write below this t square only, so that it will be easy to add or subtract. And this will be as it is. You can keep a gap. So 2 into 3 is 6 and here t square. 3 2s are 6 t square minus plus is minus. So here 2 terms over. So now next you have to subtract. No need to do actual subtraction. Just change the sign of this second line. This it has plus sign. So here minus. Here nothing is there. Here it is plus minus. We'll make it plus. Plus 2 t raised to 4 minus 2 raised to 4 will get cancelled. Next we are not operating anything. We are not either subtracted from this term. So keep this as it is plus t 3t square cube. Now see here t square you can operate this. Here minus, here plus. So minus plus become minus. 6 minus 2 is 4. This variable will keep as it is. Sign a bigger digit. Next minus 90 as it is. Minus 12 will come as it is. Next we have to eliminate this 3t cube using this t square. You have to concentrate on this first term only. This first term will help you to eliminate the first term of this dividend. So we have t cube, we have t square, we need t cube. So you're going to multiply this t square with t, and again we need t. Again we need 3. So here we'll do 3. And we need plus. So already it has plus sign. Plus plus will come plus. So give this plus. 3t into t square is 3t cube. Next you have to multiply to this also. So 3 3s are 9 and here see you have got t. So you are going to write that here. So it will become easy. So see here If you write here, no problem. So later on, you can, after calculation, you can write according to order. So plus minus will become minus. 3 3s are 9 I wrote. Then t as it is, as there is no variable to multiply. So both the terms are over. You have multiplied this 3t with t square and minus t, minus 3. So next you have to change the sign of this second row. Minus, here we don't have, it has plus sign, I had done minus, here it has minus sign, I write plus. So plus 3t cube minus 3t cube will get cancelled. 4t square will come as it is. Minus 90 plus 90 will get cancelled. So here will get 0. No need to write 0. Minus 12 as it is. Here you can write. Next you have to eliminate this 4t square using this t square. So t square we have, just we have to multiply this with 4. So that multiplication we have to write as quotient. 4t square will get, and plus plus, here will get what? Plus 4t square. Again this, remember this quotient is multiple of this divisor. So this 4 you have to multiply with minus 3 also. So 4 is a 12. Plus minus, multiplication of integers you all know. Plus minus will become minus. Then change the sign. Plus 4t square will become minus. Minus 12 become plus. So plus 4t square minus 4t square will get cancelled. Here minus 12 plus 12 will become 0. So as you got 0 as a remainder, it means what? T square minus 3 is a factor of this second polynomial. Therefore, as remainder equals to 0, therefore t square minus 3 is a factor of 2t raised to 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 90 minus 12.